Okay, there we are, and look at this. We're gonna get to dip down here. Let's hope there should be some good targets. Alright, I'll get the magnet ready. Let's get it wet. Alright, here we are, Port of Allyn. Trying out the GoPro. Let's see how deep we got here. That's a good 20 feet. So we will keep the black extension rope on. I am just gonna bounce it along, and this is awesome. This is probably like the first real saltwater dock I have done. And I'm going to pull it up because we got to go around the piling. Oh, and there's a piece of chip, so we'll put that in the bucket. And let's go back in the water. Just doing this whole stretch, and let's see what we got. All right, and looks like an old rusty piece of something. Yeah, we might as well try it right off the end and work our way all the way around. And nothing. Okay, we'll stick it back in. Alright, I'm gonna go home and have a big old juicy ham for Easter. So we only have a few minutes to try to get a really good target. So hopefully, if the magnet gods are listening, we might get lucky. Let's see here. I went and heaved it all the way out there. And we'll drag back in. Oh, got a little bite out there. I don't think it's stuck though. Now you notice this is metal along here. this ladder. So we definitely want to keep it away. Oh, and look at that. Okay, so got a screw that holds the conduit. Maybe I'll give it one more heave-ho out there, about 30 feet, and we'll drag it back in. I got about 20 minutes before I gotta head out. Nothing. Alright, maybe one more out here, and that will finish up this side for now. Just let it get to the bottom. Be nice to get a little fishing pole or something. I can never tell. It feels like it's a little heavier. It really does. And that's because I got a set of glasses. Woohoo! That's awesome. Yes. Okay. Oh, missing the arms. We'll put that in the bucket, and maybe one more toss. What do you think? I got that knot right there about 5 feet up. Oh, nothing. So we can see when the magnet's about to come up. All right, I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna try just a throw or two along the old pier here and get the rope over here. Not feeling any bites. Substantial anyway. Little bumps. We did get a target. Look at that. All right, Deschutes Brewery and a CO2 cartridge. You gotta love that. All right, so we'll bring the bucket over here. Let's do this a few more times. This is fun. This is the old pier. It's been there. Okay, pulling it in here. That was fun. Deschutes Brewery, which sounds really good, and CO2 canister. I'm not sure what for. All right, let's I see that metal pipe or sewer pipe or something, water hose, so I don't want to go too far over there and get all tangled up. All right, empty. Oh, maybe another one way out.